Probably a good thing it started because we didn't mess with that part. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Left you off last night. Closed last week's video out, or the week before last week's video, whatever video it is. I closed that out, and then I realized I didn't put the fuel tank on. So, that's what I'm doing today. Got the fuel cell, got brackets all painted up, they all good and shined up. Oh man, I'm using my Bud Light shirt as a towel. Never gonna get sponsorship if I keep on using my Bud Light shirt as a towel. All right, but anyway, we're gonna get the fuel tank on and fuel line hooked up. You might notice it's clean. Now that it rolls, I kicked the crap out of the way, rolled it back here to the open spot, cleaned up all the everything, leaves, metal, shavings, grinder dust, little cut off pieces of whatever, stuff that's rolled under there since we've been working on it, nuts, bolts, you name it, everything. Got all that crap cleaned up. Swept it all up into a nice little clean pile, dumped it in the trash. Now it's clean again, starting over. So we'll get this fuel cell on, and yeah, we'll take you along for that ride too. Hopefully you get some gas in it today, fire it up, and let it roll. Can't wait for that one. Ran up the gas station, grabbed the gas can, put some petrol in it, so it's got gas in it. Check this. But, like Zach said a second ago, probably a good thing it started because we didn't mess with that part. So, yeah, that part works. All we got left to do now is brakes and taillights. But I'm gonna go to the house and change the oil in my truck since the oil light that says, hey, time to change the oil came on and I have stuff to do at the house. So I'm gonna skip out on the rest of the day here. Go change the oil in my truck, maybe cook a steak for supper, I don't know, sounds like a good idea. But we will be back, well, I don't know when we'll be back, but we'll be back to do the brakes, do the taillights. Maybe get that in this video, might just cut you short, but like I said, fuel cell's on, truck starts, truck runs. We're just inching our way to rolling this thing out of Zach's way so he can do what he's got to do. What do you got to do?
Be clean.
You don't know, but he's got something to do, I guarantee you that. All right, guys. Till next time.